Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on a tablet. This popular vehicle simulation game is designed for powerful personal computers, not mobile devices. However, with the right approach, you can enjoy its realistic physics and detailed environments on your tablet. We will explore two primary methods: utilizing cloud gaming platforms and streaming directly from your own gaming PC. Both options require a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Cloud gaming allows you to run BeamNG Drive on a remote server and stream the video to your tablet. You will need a subscription to a service like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, which offers access to powerful hardware. A strong internet connection, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed, is crucial for minimal latency. Using a physical controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, will significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Another excellent method is streaming BeamNG Drive directly from your own powerful gaming PC to your tablet. Applications like Steam Link or Parsec enable this. Your PC needs to be running the game, and both devices must be on the same local network, preferably connected via 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for the PC. This setup gives you full control over game settings and ensures the lowest possible input lag, offering a premium experience. To get the best BeamNG Drive experience on your tablet, several optimizations are key. First, always use a physical Bluetooth controller. Touch controls are not ideal for this complex simulation. Second, adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset if you experience any lag, prioritizing frame rate over visual fidelity. Finally, ensure your tablet is fully charged or plugged in and maintain a robust, fast Wi-Fi connection for uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.